Hey everyone, this is Jennifer at GreenEyes811 on Twitter, and this is my unboxing video of some stuff that I got from Birchbox. The box that I'm going to be unboxing is the Fresh Start box right here. It's out of focus a little bit. Wait until it gets back in focus. There we go. Sorry about that. But it is Birchbox, and it comes in a box like this. It's the Fresh Start box. I ordered it, and then I was able to get the mystery box or 2 free samples, whatever. It says mystery box for $10, and you're supposed to get it if you spend $35 or more, and you get it for free. It's not really a mystery box because all you're getting is 2 items. I got the men's mystery box, and this is what they sent me. It was just 2 sample items: the shaving cream and some playing cards. So I was a little disappointed in that. I thought for spending over $35 you would get more samples than that. But yeah, they didn't send me that very many samples for spending that much money. So that's kind of disappointing, Birchbox. If someone spends over a certain amount of money and you offer a free mystery box, there should be way more samples in it than just 2 samples or 2 products, whatever. A sample and a product. Alright, before we get on to the Fresh Start box, one of the full-size products that I ordered from Birchbox was the Mally Beauty Eye Amplifying Shadow Liner. And I was going to get this before, but I decided to wait on it. And I wanted to get it now because I seen that they had the color I wanted. They have the plum color, which is right here. You can't really tell that it's plum. This is the smudging brush or sponge applicator, and this here is the eyeliner part. So you can see it right here that it's, well, you can kind of tell that it's purple right there. And I'm going to do a swatch on my hand here. Alright, there it is. And now I'm going to kind of smudge it out some. And there it is, smudged out some. Okay, it's out of focus again. There we go. You can't really tell because of the light here, but it is like it's a shimmery purple color. Sorry about the lighting, but it's like nighttime, so I'm filming this while my kids are in bed. But I got this from them. I was really happy with this. I can't wait to use it. Okay, on to the Fresh Start box. Unbox it, and this is what it looks like on the inside here. I have 2 cards here that show you or tell you what's inside the box, which of course you already know what's inside the box because they tell you what's inside these kind of boxes. But here it is right here. It's the Fresh Start card. Says a new year means wiping the slate clean and looking forward to what comes next. Bring on the challenges, opportunities, and adventures. We'll help you feel energized and empowered with this collection of ready for anything products. So those are the cards. Let me go here. Now this doesn't have no prices on it, so I'm gonna add those in later to the video. Okay, the first thing is this Mullen and Sparrow bath salts, which I got a Mullen and Sparrow product from my BoxyCharm box, and it was this clay mask that was in this kind of, it was in a glass bottle in my BoxyCharm. You kind of see that there. But this here is actually in a little plastic bottle. It's a little bitty jar of bath salts. And it smells a little, smells very strong. I'm trying to see what exactly it is supposed to be. It's organic scented pink Himalayan bath salts. It smells like a strong incense, and it's I don't know, it's hard to describe, but yeah, it smells like a very strong incense, and I can't tell you what kind of incense, but that's what it reminds me of. But it's strong, so it'll probably do you some good in the bath water, you know. It says it's for to soothe sore muscles and joints. Toss a handful into warm water for an uber relaxing soak. So yeah, I can see this maybe, you know, doing something for your sore muscles, because it is very strong. Sorry, my hair is all messed up. Okay, next thing is this 2 fluid ounces green apple age-defying hand cream. Reduces appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Of course, this is a good brand, Juice Beauty, and it is a very big tube of it. I don't think this is a sample. I think this is if it is a sample, it's a deluxe size sample. Yeah, and I love the smell of this. It smells really good. Really love the smell of that. It's armed with vitamin C and organic fruit acids, and this is an all-natural hydrator that works to fade dark spots and brighten dull skin. So I'm happy with this. Alright, so the next thing is pretty good size. It is what's the name of this one? Vapor Organic, nope, that's not it. Core Water. It's a Ura water bottle. It's made with BPA-free plastic and is dribble-free, perfect, and has a dribble-free perfect spout. Makes it easy and super chic to stay hydrated. I wanted the pink one, but they sent me the blue one, so I'm happy with that. I don't care. It says it has a dribble-free perfect spout. Yeah, I mean, it's not really well, it's made a certain way. You can see it there. But it don't have like a thing in the lid for you to drink out of. You're gonna have to unscrew it and drink out of it. So that kind of sucks, you know. You have to unscrew it all the way to drink out of it. But still though, it's BPA free. And it's a good size, looks really nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, the next thing that's in here that I see is a Feed Your Ends leave-in conditioner. It is, where is it? It's a Yurok Feed Your Ends. Chock full of vitamins and minerals that keep hair healthy and protect against heat damage. Wow. Wow, that's pretty good. It smells like citrusy. A lot of citrusy scent to it. It's got a lot of a citrus scent. Sorry. It's late. I got homework to do and my hair is like all messed up and yeah. I'm trying to see what the ingredients are with this. It says to protect from heat and add shine, spray on damp ends, then blow dry in style. I don't know, but it smells very citrusy. Smells pretty good. So I can't wait to use that. And it's 2 ounces. And this here, the Juice Beauty, is also 2 ounces. So these are really good sizes. I like these a lot. And the bath salts, really nice sizes. This here, the next thing, is a Vapor Organic Beauty Era Multi-Use Blush. It says it's ultra creamy, easy to blend, and it's for cheeks, lips, and eyes. It's made with 70% organic ingredients and 30% mineral pigments and pure essential oils. Comes in a nifty little container there. It's color number 213. It don't really say an exact color, but it's got the little V there at the top for vapor. And there's the stamp on the bottom of it. Ooh, wow. This is the color. Really bright. Make sure it wasn't falling out of the container there. Okay, let's see here. This here is the color right there. It smells like lipstick. I'm blending it into my skin here just to see what it looks like. Alright, it's blending pretty good. It blends pretty good. You can't really see it there at all. Just a little hint there of pink. So you can see the pink right in this area here where I rubbed it in. I can see it more off the camera here than I can with it in the video. But it shows up really good. It blends in really good too. So yeah, I like this. I will definitely use this. Alright, next thing in here is some Fig and Yarrow Healing Salve. Seems like I've gotten this brand before. I don't know where I've gotten this before, but it seems like I've gotten this brand before. It's a handcrafted balm that soothes a roster of skin woes, from dryness to razor burn, with organic herbs and botanical essences. Yeah, it smells like a healing salve or whatever you want to call it. It definitely smells that way. Don't smell really bad. It smells medicated, And that's what it looks like. See if maybe I can. It's pretty greasy. It feels like it absorbs well. Can't really see nothing. My fingers don't look shiny or nothing. So it absorbs pretty good into your skin. I like this. I will use this also. Next thing in here is these socks. Ooh, man, they're cushiony. Bombas, be better. 1 pair purchased equals 1 pair donated. This is a US size medium, which is good because this will fit me. It's designed in New York. It's got, it's really cushiony. Honeycomb arch support, blister tab, Y-stitched heel. So there's the blister tab right there. But they look really comfy. Really soft and cushiony. I know exactly what I'm going to use these for. I go walking a lot in the summer and springtime when it gets warmer. So I'm going to wear these when I go walking. Maybe they'll help keep my feet from hurting and stuff. So, yep, I'm going to wear these. I love those. Last thing is some lip gloss. And it's, I don't know how to say that. Elia, something like that. I don't know. It's got to be one of those. It's called the Butterfly. And I like that name. I love butterflies. So hopefully this is, ooh, it's kind of really, wow. This is really pinky orange looking. It is non-sticky gloss made from coconut oil and shea butter for super soft, naturally luminous lips. This looks a lot different than the one that I seen on Birchbox.com. But it says it is that one. It says it is the Butterfly. So we'll see how this looks. It's got a nice big doe foot applicator right there. No, it looks the same. Here it is right here. It's this color up here. And it looks a little bit orange to me. But I don't know, we'll see. My lips are kind of dry feeling right now, so I don't know how this is going to look on my lips. Can't really tell how it looks in the video. Cannot tell. Kind of has a weird scent to it, but I can't really think of what it smells like right now. It's not sticky. It sticks to the hair. So your hair's gonna get stuck in it. But it's not sticky on your lips. look orangey on my lips, but I don't know. I'd have to look at it in a brighter light and just see how it looks. But I like everything that's in this box. I'm really glad that I got it. Of course, I knew what all was going to be in the box when I bought this box. So I knew what I was getting. And I think it was worth the money that I spent on it. I was kind of bummed that they didn't include more samples than just these 2 samples here. Considering, you know, I spent the money that I did on this box and I bought this eyeshadow. So that's kind of a downer. I think Birchbox needs to change that. They need to send more than just 2 things when they say a mystery box. You know, I don't really like that. But other than that, I really liked my box and I really like the eyeshadow that I got. So I can't wait to use that, and maybe it'll make my eyes just really pop because they're green and the eyeshadow is purple. So, but anyways, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, click thumbs up, give me a thumbs up. If you like the other videos that I've posted, please subscribe. Sorry my hair and stuff is a mess tonight, but yeah, I got a lot of stuff to do tonight, so I'm gonna be up pretty late. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.